Welcome. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. So first you want to open your YouTube, then make sure that the account that is logged in to it is the right account. Okay, after that you want to click your profile, which you can see on the upper right side of your screen. Then you want to click settings, and then after that here on the left side, as you can see here, is the advanced settings, and you want to click on that. And then here you want to click delete channel, and here they will give you a choices where you want to hide your channel or you want to permanently delete your content. So in this video you want to click this, and then these are the following that will be permanently deleted. So the comments that you made on YouTube, your replies and thumbs up on comments, your YouTube gift settings, your search and watch history. Then here, any paid subscriptions that you own will be cancelled. You will still have access until the end of your billing cycle. So you just want to click on that and then delete my content. So here they just want you to type your email address, and just to make sure that you're the one who is trying to delete your channel. So here, this is my email address, and that's it. Click the delete my content, then just wait, then you're done. Your content is being deleted. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.